guys, so welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video, and I'm going to be telling you some awkward things that you might want to put in your natural hair to help your hair. So let us just begin. So the first thing you want to put in your natural hair, or you might want to put in your natural hair, is okra. Yeah, as in the same okra that we use to make soup. That okra, man, you might want to put that in your hair. Why? Because okra has a lot of vitamins, and it's a really good detangler. All you basically need to do is get okra and water, and it's good because it's very affordable and it's easy to find, right? Now okra is easy to find, so you just need water and okra, and it's a very good detangler. I haven't used it before, but I mean, I've seen people use it before. I've seen videos of people using okra on their hair, and it looks like it has a lot of sleep, right? But the thing is, you have to be very careful because, like I said, it has a lot of sleep, so you don't use it and then maybe sleep and fall. You get. So the next thing you might want to try on your natural hair is pepper. And now there are different kinds of pepper, and I don't know if every kind is good for your hair, but I know I've read that cayenne pepper and black pepper are good because they have a lot of vitamins, obviously, and they help to fight dandruff. Apparently, they also help exfoliate your scalp, so if you have scalp issues, then this might be really good for you. And there's something else. Oh yeah, they stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which in turn helps with the hair growth. So you might want to use pepper on your scalp, right? But personally, I don't think I'm ever going to use pepper on my scalp, like, because it's pepper, like, it's for stew and soup. What am I putting on my hair? But not just that, because okra too is for soup, I mean, but I think I'm going to be like really scared that the pepper is just going to enter into my eye or something, and it just doesn't sit right with me, Sha. It doesn't sit right with me, like pepper in your hair. I mean, I know you want to pepper them, but not like that. So the next thing is onion juice. I mean, a lot of people use onions nowadays, so I don't think I should still call this an awkward thing to use on your hair. Cause onion, people claim that onion helps in the production of collagen. It helps to thicken hair. It helps dandruff, itchy scalp issues, basically hair growth and all of that. But I just feel like you're applying onions on your hair, like with the smell of onions. I think so. People will say that you can mix onions with some essential oils and it won't smell so bad, but I don't know, I've never tried it, so maybe it's able to actually conceal the smell of the onions completely, because I don't know how you will apply onions on your hair and then go out like, was that not wickedness? You just want to kill the people around you. I think I don't think we're onions. Maybe I'll try it one day. Maybe. I don't know. Now the next thing on my list is the sister of onions. That's garlic. I don't even know which one is what, like onions or garlic. I don't know. Please comment in the comment section which you think is what, because I mean, onions is manageable, right? But garlic, man. Like, if you're using garlic, if someone is using garlic in the house and you wake up in the morning, you perceive the garlic from, like, maybe you open your door, you will just smell the garlic everywhere. Like, the smell is just so it's so harsh. So I can't even imagine someone using garlic on their hair and just leaving it in. I don't know if you're supposed to leave it in or you're supposed to wash it off. I don't know. But a lot of people do a lot of weird things, like they use all these things and then they leave them in. So I don't know, maybe washing it off should actually make the smell disappear. I don't know. But garlic also aids collagen production, just like onions. It helps to kill germs on the scalp, and it also helps to thicken hair, right? So you can use garlic if you want to. If you want to, just I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Anyway, so those are like the main things, the main awkward things. Because the other things, I don't know if I should call them awkward, because like a lot of people use this nowadays, like rice water. People use rice water for their hair. And I don't know, fermented rice water. Anytime I hear the word fermented, I just assume it's going to smell. But I've never used rice water. In fact, to be honest, I've never used any of these things before. I've just heard about them, seen videos of people using them, read about them, and I've actually heard that it's really good. And I see people with like really long hair who swear by them, especially onion juice. So if you're sleeping on if you're sleeping on onions, man, maybe you should go and chop some and use on your hair. But that's not gonna be me anytime soon, because like I just don't want to be walking out in public and then people are, it's possible I don't even perceive the smell because maybe I use the essential oils and everything. But what if like other people can perceive the smell? You know? Like what if I'm walking and everybody's like giving me eye and I don't even know why they're looking at me the way they're looking at me and all of that. I don't know, man. Hey, what is this? Wait, sorry. Wait, I'm just trying because I look like a clown now. I think the only thing missing is like a red nose. I don't know, should I just use a nude lipstick? I don't want to get embarrassed myself. Okay. Let me see if this doesn't turn out right after I've done my hair. Then I will use a nude lipstick, but for now let me just keep going. I'll say that this look is going to look good. If it doesn't look good, then I'll just clean the lips a bit. So guys, I put my hair in braids last night so that my hair can be stretched out for today. So I'm just going to take it down and see what we are working with, or what I am working with. So like I was saying, I don't think I'm ever going to use pepper on my hair because I just don't think I'm going to. I will probably try the rest. I don't know. Maybe I'll try onions and garlic one day when I'm locked away from everybody, so I don't end up killing somebody. Maybe when I'm in town, locked away in a town like Rapunzel. And then when my Prince Charming comes, you'll be like, Winifred, let down your hair. And I'll be like, no, Prince Emeka, I can't let down my hair because there's living condition and you're going to fall, you know. So I don't know, guys. I will try it sometime. I don't even know what to do to this hair, but let's just keep going and see. Inspiration will come, hopefully. So I forgot to actually put this blush. I just like colors. So I'm gonna do that and just a bit of highlighter here. It's not even noticeable, but whatever. So guys, this is the finished look. This is what I came up with. I don't know, how do you feel about the style? Like, I like it, and at the same time it's awkward to me. Guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you in my next video.